What if I told you that everything we know about history, space, and even our own bodies is wrong? From 2,000-year-old computers to stars older than the universe, these 25 mind-boggling discoveries didn't just break the rules, they rewrote them. Stick around, because reality is about to get a whole lot weirder. Cosmic microwave background. First, imagine two scientists in 1964 hearing a mysterious hiss they couldn't explain. They scrubbed away pigeon droppings, thinking that was the cause, but it wasn't. They had accidentally tuned into the cosmic microwave background, the literal afterglow of the Big Bang. This ancient light has traveled for 13 billion years, acting as a baby picture of our universe. It proves that everything we see began with a massive explosion. Pulsars next. In 1967, a student named Jocelyn Bell noticed a radio signal pulsing with impossible precision once every 1.3 seconds. At first, her team jokingly dubbed it "little green men." We now know these are pulsars, collapsed cores of massive stars spinning faster than a kitchen blender. They are nature's most accurate clocks, so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh as much as a mountain on Earth. Dark energy. Until 1998, everyone thought the universe's expansion was slowing down. But by observing distant dying stars, astronomers realized the opposite. The universe is flying apart faster every second. This anti-gravity force is called dark energy. It makes up 68% of everything, yet we cannot see or touch it. It's a silent, invisible ghost pulling the fabric of space-time apart, and it will eventually leave our galaxy completely alone. Higgs boson. Another mind-blowing one is why atoms have weight at all. In 2012, inside a 17-mile underground tunnel in Switzerland, they finally smashed particles together to find the Higgs boson. This God particle is the reason you exist. It creates an invisible field that gives all matter its mass. Without it, particles would just zip through space at the speed of light, never clumping together to form stars, planets, or any people. Göbekli Tepe, high on a Turkish ridge in 1994, archaeologists found massive stone circles carved with lions and scorpions. This is Göbekli Tepe, built 11,000 years ago, long before the invention of the wheel or writing. It completely flipped history. We used to think farming led to religion, but these temples proved that their urge to worship actually forced us to settle down and start civilization. It is the world's very first holy place. Antikythera mechanism. Next up, a group of sponge divers in 1901 found a rusted green lump in a Greek shipwreck. They thought it was just a rock until it split open to reveal complex bronze gears. This is the Antikythera mechanism, a handheld computer from 150 BC used to track stars with terrifying precision. Humanity didn't build anything this advanced again for another 1,000 years. It's a piece of future tech from the ancient world. CRISPR. Another mind-blowing one is a discovery from 2012 that changed medicine forever. Scientists found a way to use a bacterial defense system to cut and paste DNA. This is CRISPR, a tool that allows us to edit the very code of life. We can now potentially cure genetic diseases or engineer drought-resistant crops. It's the ultimate biological find and replace function, giving us the power to rewrite our own evolutionary future. The hidden human cousin. In 2008, a tiny finger bone was found in a Siberian cave. Scientists expected it to be Neanderthal, but DNA testing revealed a completely unknown branch of the human family tree, the Denisovans. They lived alongside us 50,000 years ago and even interbred with our ancestors. This discovery proves the ancient world was a crowded place, filled with different types of humans that eventually vanished, leaving only their DNA behind. First image of a black hole moving on. In 2019, a global network of telescopes achieved the impossible. They captured the first image of a black hole in a galaxy 55 million light-years away. Since black holes swallow all light, we can't see them directly. We saw the glowing event horizon instead. This fuzzy orange donut confirmed Einstein's theories were right all along. It's our first real look at a place where physics breaks down completely. Quantum teleportation. In 1997, scientists achieved something straight out of Star Trek. They successfully performed quantum teleportation on a single photon. By using a strange phenomenon called entanglement, They beamed the state of one particle to another across a room instantly. We haven't moved people yet, but we now know that information can travel without crossing the physical space in between. It is the foundation for a future, unhackable quantum internet. The quantum leap. Next up, in 2019, a processor named Sycamore achieved quantum supremacy by solving a calculation in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. Instead of using standard bits, it used qubits to exist in two states at once. This discovery proved that we are entering a new era of computing, where problems once considered impossible to solve are now just a few minutes of processing away. Tubarial glands. Another mind-blowing one happened in 2020 when doctors in the Netherlands accidentally found a new part of the human body. While scanning for cancer, they discovered the tubarial glands tucked deep behind the nose. We've been dissecting humans for centuries, yet these salivary glands remained hidden until now. This discovery is vital for medical treatments, helping doctors avoid damaging these sensitive areas during radiation therapy for head and neck cancers. Oldest cave art. Moving on, deep inside a Spanish cave in 2018, scientists found a red hand stencil that shattered our understanding of art. It's 64,000 years old, meaning it was painted 20,000 years before modern humans even arrived in Europe. This proves that Neanderthals weren't just cavemen, they were artists with symbolic minds. It's the oldest known cave art in the world, showing that the spark of creativity is much older than us. Natural quasicrystals. Another incredible discovery occurred in 2009 when a Russian mineral was found containing natural quasicrystals. These crystals have patterns that never repeat, a structure once thought to be mathematically impossible in nature. For decades, we believed they could only be made in a lab, but finding them in a meteorite proved the universe creates forbidden geometry during high-pressure events like space collisions. It completely redefined what we know about solid matter. Fast radio bursts. Next up, in 2007, astronomers found a mysterious blast of energy from deep space that lasted only 5 milliseconds. These fast radio bursts pack as much energy as our sun emits in 80 years. We've detected hundreds since, yet we still don't know if they come from colliding stars, magnetars, or even alien technology. They are the universe's most powerful whispers, traveling billions of light years just to blink at us. Quantum entanglement. Another mind-blowing one happened in 2017 when China used a satellite to achieve satellite quantum entanglement from 750 miles above Earth. They linked two particles of light so that what happened to one instantly affected the other, even at massive distances. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. This discovery proves we can build a global, unhackable communication network that doesn't rely on cables, but on the fabric of reality. First exoplanet. Moving on, in 1995, two astronomers found the first exoplanet orbiting a star like our sun. Located 50 light-years away, 51 Pegasi b is a hot Jupiter, a giant gas ball so close to its sun that a year lasts only 4 days. Before this, we weren't sure if other stars even had planets. Now we know the galaxy is teeming with billions of worlds, many waiting to be explored. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Another incredible discovery occurred in 1977 when scientists found deep-sea hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. Instead of freezing darkness, they found towering chimneys spewing boiling chemicals and teeming with giant tube worms and ghost white crabs. This proved life doesn't always need sunlight to survive. It can thrive on chemical energy alone. It completely changed where we look for alien life, shifting our focus to frozen moons with hidden oceans. Mass and neutrinos. For decades, scientists thought neutrinos were massless ghost particles flying through us at light speed. But in 1998, a massive underground detector in Japan proved they actually have a tiny bit of mass. They discovered this because neutrinos shapeshift between different types as they travel. This tiny mass is a huge deal. It means our standard model of physics is incomplete, and there are still deeper laws waiting. Coelacanth. Next up, in 1938, a museum curator spotted a strange blue-finned fish on a South African trawler. This was the coelacanth, a creature scientists were certain had gone extinct 65 million years ago alongside the dinosaurs. This living fossil had been hiding in the deep ocean, remaining unchanged for eons. Its rediscovery was a biological earthquake, proving that the shadows of the sea can still hide entire lost prehistoric worlds. Graphene, 2D carbon. Another mind-blowing one happened in 2004 when two scientists used simple Scotch tape to peel layers off a piece of graphite. They isolated graphene, a flake of carbon only one atom thick. It's the thinnest and strongest material ever discovered, yet it's nearly transparent and conducts electricity perfectly. This impossible 2D crystal shattered physics textbooks and opened the door to a future of flexible electronics and super strong composite materials. Bullet cluster. Moving on, in 2006, astronomers watched two massive galaxy clusters collide, creating what we call the bullet cluster. They noticed something impossible. The visible gas slowed down during the crash, but the majority of the mass zipped right through like a ghost. This provided the first direct proof of dark matter. We now know this invisible substance acts as the cosmic scaffolding that holds every single galaxy in our universe together. The Rosetta Stone decipher. Another incredible discovery occurred in 1799 when Napoleon's soldiers dug up a slab of black rock in Egypt. This Rosetta Stone featured the same decree written in 3 scripts, including Greek and hieroglyphs. Because scholars could read the Greek, it became the ultimate cheat code to unlock a dead language. Suddenly, 3,000 years of silent Egyptian history began to speak, revealing the secrets of pharaohs, gods, and ancient daily life. PCR DNA amplification. Finally, in 1983, a scientist named Kary Mullis imagined a way to turn a single fragment of DNA into billions of copies. This is PCR, the ultimate biological photocopier. Before this discovery, studying tiny genetic samples was nearly impossible. Now it's the backbone of modern medicine, from solving cold case crimes with a single drop of blood to detecting viruses and mapping the very code that makes you who you are. These discoveries prove the world is far more mysterious than we ever imagined. From the stars above to the DNA inside us, the next massive breakthrough could happen tomorrow. Which one of these 25 broke your brain the most? Let us know below, and don't forget to subscribe.